Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career circumstance. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And Aquarius, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. And I'll be sharing her link in the description so you can contact her. So let's see what are these cards first for your general energies. So today we have 9 of Swords, 5 of Cups and Page of Wands. So in your circumstances today, Aquarius, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really worried today. You are worried about something. Maybe you are desperate about something. You want to understand something. Maybe it may be some pressure or some decision you need to make. So it may be important choices you are making in your career, something you must do immediately and something you must do in the right way. So that is what is creating a lot of anxiety for you. Or it may be in this relationship, you are making some important decisions today and you don't know what will work, what will be the right thing, so you are quite desperate to make the right choices, desperate to talk in the right way. You don't want to offend this person. And the reason for this anxiety or desperation may be, Aquarius, because you would have faced something in the past, some negative situation in your relationship, in your past relationship. And you have that experience. You don't want to repeat that again. You don't want to repeat that same story again today. And you feel a lot stressed, sad, because the way circumstances are going today, it looks like this person is hurt. This person you are in relationship with, maybe they will make a drastic decision. And that is something you fear, something you don't want to happen again. And you are trying to change yourself, you are trying to change your circumstance, you are trying your best. And you may have a lot of doubts on this person, confused about the way they are. And you are still brooding over the past, crying about your past love and feeling really anxious about this present circumstance. You have not got over the past, the painful past. That may be the reason you are, in this circumstance today. You are still comparing this person with your past person. Maybe you need to understand that past is past. It is not, brooding over the past is not going to help you in any way. So you need to be in this present, see where things are going with this present relationship, what this person is trying to tell you and what they are trying to tell you. And if you have some doubts, some confusions about this person, with these cards, I can definitely say that you can trust this person. And this present person is someone good, someone honest, and they are devoted to this relationship. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. We have one more card. It is Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe your past is the reason for troubles in this relationship. Maybe you must get over that past hurt, whatever you have gone through. That is the only way you can relate to this person in a very honest and beautiful way. So it is time to let go of your past, Aquarius. That is what I see with these cards. So for your career, we have one card. We will see what it is. It's Lovers in reverse. So in your work situation, maybe you need to be really careful. You need to think it through. Whatever decisions you are making, you must think it through. Otherwise, you will land yourself in some difficulty, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards today for your Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. Fork in the road. So maybe today you are making an important decision, something you need to do, and you are in a circumstance you have to make a choice today. And this is the time of evolution of your relationship. So will you choose to go towards a possibility of a deeper commitment or moving away from this person, maybe walking away? So what is it that you want? You must make a choice that is true to your intentions. So it must be a honest decision, something you must base on the truth you have within yourself. So there is nothing right or wrong in a choice today. So if you move forward with this relationship, it just means that you truly love this person and this decision is based on truth. And you will have made a conscious choice today rather than simply hanging because you don't want to be alone or ending things because you are afraid of a genuine connection. So today the energy with this card is all roads lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship. So there is nothing right about this choice and nothing wrong about the other choice. So regardless of the decision you make, you should make a decision based on your truest intentions. So what you truly feel and what you honestly desire, that is what must be that must be the deciding thing in this choice. So you must make the choice that is true to your heart. That is what this card is about, authentic choice. When you do that, you will be moving on the right path no matter what choice you make today. So that is the energy here. And for those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have the Nixie of Mill Pond. So with this card, the energy is that maybe You are quite emotional and you are trying to avoid a particular circumstance because you want to avoid that emotional situation and you want complete control, but you are unable to control your feelings and your emotions. And today, this card is about facing the circumstance. So, whatever it may be, you need to face that emotional situation, whether you are afraid of it, afraid of handling those emotions, whatever it is. If you face that circumstance, you are just going to overcome all the fears and you are just going to free yourself of this curse of fear of certain emotions today. And this circumstance is here to create a emotional change in your life. That is the reason you are in this situation, facing up your fears, and you will be tested. But when you face the emotions that you have been avoiding till now, that will be the end of sorrow you are experiencing because of these emotions, and it will bring joy, happiness, and love, and it will bring recognition of your true soul family. Maybe people who are truly close to you, who are truly concerned about you. You will be able to identify those people today if you face this circumstance, and instead of avoiding something, you need to have that courage and strength, determination to face it and get it over with. So that is the energy here with this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.